you've been diagnosed with mesothelioma, you've probably heard that victims like you frequently receive significant compensation. But do you actually need a lawyer to get financial justice, or can you handle this yourself? Can't you just contact the asbestos companies directly and ask them to do the right thing? Today, I want to give you the honest answer about whether you need legal representation for mesothelioma compensation, what lawyers do that you can't do yourself, what it costs, and when it makes sense to hire a lawyer. I'm Terry Oppenheimer, and I've been writing about mesothelioma and asbestos for the website mesothelioma.net for over a decade. I'm not a lawyer, and this is not legal advice, but understanding the reality of legal representation could significantly affect your compensation. So let's start with the direct answer. While you're certainly legally able to file claims without a lawyer, as a practical matter, having an experienced mesothelioma attorney will dramatically increase both the likelihood that you'll receive compensation and the amount that you'll recover. Here's why. First, mesothelioma cases are extraordinarily complex. In almost every instance, you're not dealing with a simple situation where one company caused your injury. You're potentially dealing with dozens of different asbestos product manufacturers, multiple job sites across decades, complex product identification, asbestos trust funds with different requirements, and legal theories involving negligence, failure to warn, and strict liability. When you're working with an experienced mesothelioma attorney, they have resources that you don't have access to as an individual. In fact, they maintain extensive databases of asbestos-containing products that other lawyers who don't specialize in asbestos don't have. Those databases contain a wealth of information about which companies manufactured the asbestos-contaminated products, when they were sold, where they were commonly used, and which companies have set up asbestos trusts, and which need to be pursued through the justice system. Without these databases, you would have no way of identifying which companies to pursue claims against. A mesothelioma attorney has an entire team of expert witnesses they can call on, industrial hygienists who can testify about asbestos exposure levels, pathologists who can confirm a mesothelioma diagnosis, and occupational medicine specialists who can establish causation. These experts, they're expensive. It costs thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars to have them speak on your behalf. You, on your own, you wouldn't know where to find them, and you can't afford their services. But asbestos law firms working on contingency can. Attorneys also have investigators who can track down your former coworkers, find old employment records, locate product documentation, and reconstruct exposure history from decades ago. If you worked at a shipyard in 1965, can you remember every product you used? Can you find coworkers from that time who remember? An experienced attorney has done this thousands of times and knows exactly how to build that evidence. Now, before I go on, I'm going to take a quick break and ask you a quick favor. If you find these videos helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. It makes it easier for other people who need this information to find us. Also, if you have questions or there's a topic you'd like to see addressed in a future video, send me a note in the comment section. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'm going to give you valuable information on where to find resources that will make a real difference for you. Now, there's plenty of advantages of working with a mesothelioma attorney, and one of the biggest is their familiarity with asbestos trust funds. When people started realizing that the illnesses they were being diagnosed with were caused by exposure to asbestos, and that the asbestos companies knew about the dangers, they started filing civil lawsuits, and juries started ordering the companies to pay victims millions of dollars. Many of the companies' asbestos liabilities were so big that they were forced into bankruptcy. but bankruptcy judges wouldn't allow them to leave their victims in the lurch. Asbestos trust funds are dedicated accounts that those companies were required to set up specifically for the benefit of any exposure victims who would be diagnosed in the future. For asbestos trust fund claims, attorneys know which trusts exist, the specific documentation each trust requires, how to present exposure evidence in the format that each individual trust wants, what payment percentages trusts are currently paying, and how to maximize recovery across multiple trusts. Trust fund claims involve extensive paperwork and specific procedures. Missing a requirement can result in claim denial or significant delay. And many people don't realize that there are over 60 asbestos trust funds. If your exposure involved products from 10 or 15 different bankrupt companies, you have the potential to file claims on 10 or 15 different trusts. Each one has its own claim forms, its own documentation requirements, its own review process. Managing this yourself would be overwhelming, especially when you're also dealing with the physical challenge of cancer treatment. When it comes to the companies that haven't gone bankrupt, the complexity, it multiplies. These companies have teams of corporate defense attorneys whose job it is to minimize what they pay, whether they're guilty or not. Getting justice and compensation requires filing lawsuits in court, dealing with discovery and depositions, negotiating settlement offers, and potentially going to trial. Asbestos company attorneys know that individual claimants without legal representation don't understand the process, don't know what evidence is needed, and that they can be pressured into accepting far less than their claims are worth. All that being said, I know that most people considering filing a lawsuit are worried about the cost. You may even have been told by well-meaning friends that you're going to spend more on a lawyer than you could ever win in court. The truth is that mesothelioma attorneys work very differently from most lawyers. Mesothelioma cases are handled on contingency. That means you pay nothing upfront. The attorney advances all costs for experts, investigations, court filing fees, and other expenses. You only pay if they're successful in getting you compensation, and their fee is a fraction of what you receive. It's typically 33 to 40% of the recovery. So if a mesothelioma attorney negotiates a settlement that gives you $1.5 million and their fee is 40%, the attorney's going to receive $600,000 and you're going to receive $900,000 after other case expenses are deducted. Now, here's the key question. Do you think you'd recover more by handling this yourself with zero attorney fees, or by hiring an attorney who takes 40% but potentially recovers much more? The answer isn't conjecture. An experienced attorney knows which defendants to target, the value of your case, when settlement offers are too low, how to negotiate effectively, which trusts pay the most for your exposure profile, and how to maximize total recovery from all available sources. They'll recover far more than you could on your own, and even after their fee, you're going to be far ahead. There are also timing considerations. Mesothelioma cases have strict statutes of limitations. Those are legal deadlines, and depending on your state, they could be 1 to 3 years from the time of your diagnosis. If you spend 6 months trying to figure out the process for yourself, then file your claim incorrectly the first time and then finally hire an attorney, you've wasted precious time. You might even miss your deadlines entirely. Another important point. When you're fighting cancer and dealing with the treatment and managing your symptoms, do you really have the time and energy to become an expert in asbestos litigation and trust fund claims? More importantly, is that how you want to spend your time when you're facing a much shortened lifespan? Most people find that having an attorney handle the legal process allows them to focus on their health and their family. Now, there are situations where you might not need an attorney. If you're filing for VA benefits as a veteran with mesothelioma, you can file those claims yourself or even work with a VA accredited representative. VA benefit claims don't involve litigation against companies, and there are resources other than lawyers to help veterans navigate that system. Lawyers can do it too, though. If you're a veteran filing for benefits, you should consider legal claims against the asbestos manufacturers that place their products on your ship or in your barracks or wherever. You can receive both VA benefits and legal compensation. They're two separate things. And for the legal claims portion, an attorney is beneficial. If you're just filing a workers' compensation claim for an asbestos-related disease, you can handle that without an attorney, though many people do use attorneys for workers' comp claims as well. But remember that workers' comp typically doesn't provide large lump sum payments like asbestos litigation or trust fund claims do. You may be wondering how to find the right mesothelioma attorney. It's important that you find someone you feel comfortable with, but it's also important that you specifically look for attorneys or firms that specialize in mesothelioma and asbestos cases. Ask any attorney you're considering working with how many mesothelioma cases they've handled, what their typical settlements and verdicts are, whether they'll handle trust fund claims in addition to litigation, and what their fee structure is. Beware of any attorney asking for upfront fees, guaranteeing a specific outcome, making promises about settlement amounts, or pressuring you to sign immediately without taking the time to consider. Any of that should raise concerns. Talk to more than one attorney if you want to compare approaches. One important point, if you've already been offered a settlement by an asbestos company or trust without having an attorney, there's Chloe. Don't accept it without at least consulting an attorney first. Companies sometimes contact patients directly and offer settlements that are far below what the claim is actually worth. An attorney can tell you if an offer is fair or if you should be seeking much more. The bottom line is this: mesothelioma compensation is available from multiple sources: trust funds, litigation settlements, verdicts, VA benefits for veterans, and potentially workers' compensation. Navigating all these sources, knowing which you qualify for, filing claims correctly, and maximizing total recovery, all of that requires expertise that takes years to develop. So, do you need a lawyer to get mesothelioma compensation? Legally, no. Practically, yes. The complexity of identifying responsible parties, filing trust claims, litigating against solvent companies, and maximizing recovery across all sources means that experienced attorneys recover significantly more than individuals can alone, even after attorney fees. And mesothelioma attorneys work on contingency with no upfront costs. There's no risk to you, and you know that they're working hard on your behalf because their pay depends on the success of your claim. An experienced mesothelioma attorney can make all the difference. You can visit mesothelioma.net for information about legal representation, or call 1-800-692-8608, or use the live chat feature to speak directly to one of our patient advocates. As for me, remember to post questions below. I'll see you next time. So will Chloe.